Umama uPhumzile Ratladi ungumnikazi walendawo yokucima ukoma eseMeadowlands eSoweto. Naye ubengomunye wabantu ababethenge indathane yotshwala ngaphambi kokuba umengameli enze isimemezelo sokuvala ukuthengiswa kwawo.
We're hoping ukuthi mhlambe bekungathiwa sithengise noma 2 days 3 days ukeke wabona like he was doing, he had done previously to say Monday to Thursday. Maybe since Monday to Thursday has been tried, but it has never worked. Mhlambe bekumele kuthiwe 2 days so that nje as people must have something abazophila ngayo.
Omunye ongumnikazi wendawo yokucima ukoma iPhomano uthi kusuke umsindo ngaphandle kwebhizinisi lakhe khathi umengameli enza lesi simemezelo ngomsombuluko.
I decided to close because of already the rules have been broken because of the influx of the people were coming here, so automatically I'm out.
Umkhandlu wabahweba ngotshwala iNational Liquor Traders Council uthi babe nomhlangano kanye neNational Command Council bagcina besemukele isinqumo sikahulumeni.
We were willing not to operate over the 31st of December as well as the 1st of January, but also we were willing to trade as off-premise, making sure that our taverns do not operate as on-premise, but get a special dispensation to operate as off-premise. But obviously government saw it differently, which we fully respect.
Abanikazi beindawo zokucima ukoma bathi banethemba lokuthi uhulumeni uzosizwa isikhalo sabo.